Jessica, and ask you, shouldn't we be congratulating Will Smith for finally getting liberals to acknowledge black-on-black violence?
This is why Lori Lightfoot is going to lose.
Because Will Smith, Will took her down. That's funny. I have theories.
No, nothing's going to happen. I mean, this didn't happen in the first 100 years or whatever it is. Like, nothing's going to happen again. But it still is shocking that it was real.
Yeah, because we all thought it was fake. There was that weird
I went back. I was like, not possible.
Yeah.
And then you're like, this happened?
Yeah, like we found out like in Australia because they had a different fee and there was a thing. But let me ask you this, Dave Landau. Did the Oscars actually play this wrong? Given how much people loathe celebrities these days, wouldn't introducing one celebrity slap per show kind of boost engagement?
It would, but it can't be Chris Rock because we like Chris Rock.
Yeah.
I think that was the biggest problem right there. And really, if you have security on hand, it should be to stop Jaden Smith from making another movie.